Hi class. So this is just like your quiz for today, and I want to show you how to calculate, okay, the measurement of angles. So in number 1, we have the measurement of angle ABD. Okay, what is your angle ABD? That one. 151 degrees, and then measurement of angle 2 is 86 degrees. So how do you get the measurement of angle 1? So you have the total and you have the part. In order to get the part, we have to subtract the part that is given from the total, isn't it? Okay, so let us set up the equation. How do I do that? Paano ko magsusunod? Okay, there you go. Measurement of angle ABD is equal to the measurement of angle 1 plus the measurement of angle 2. Okay, we know these things. So we can just make this. Okay, angle 1 is equal to the measurement of angle ABD minus the measurement of angle 2. ABD, as it says in the problem, it is 151 degrees minus 86 degrees. Therefore, the measurement of angle 1 is, class, could you help me? Yes, 65 degrees. It's just easy, right? Do you have any questions? If there are none, then we move on to number 2. Let's erase this first. Then we move on to number 2. Now in number 2 class, in the figure below, it says that the measurement of angle, WXZ equals 62 degrees. No, not percent, sorry. I'm interchanging my financial lit with the geometry. So WXZ, this is that angle, okay? WXZ, the total is 62 degrees, okay? And then we have angle 2. It says here, and the measurement of angle 2 is 16 degrees more than the measurement of angle 1. So we can say, class, that, okay, let me just put the solution. Let x be the measurement of angle 1, and then what will be the angle number 2? So the measurement of angle 2, we're going to write it as the measurement of angle 1 plus 16 degrees. Okay? That's the measurement. And now you know that the whole thing, the measurement of WXZ is equal to 62. Correct? So we can say that the measurement of angle 1 plus the measurement of angle 2 is equal to 62 degrees. Now let us substitute, okay, their values. this will be x plus, this is x as well, this one, plus x plus 16 equals 62. Now I have 2x, combine like terms. I have 2x plus 16 equals 62. Now I want to transfer the whole number 16 to the other side, so I'm going to subtract it from both sides. I have 2x equals, what is 16? 62 minus 16. Class, help me again with this. You're correct, it's 46. 46. Now in order to find x, we have to divide both sides by 2. 46 divided by 2 equals 23 degrees. Oops. There you go. Okay. Now, we said that x is equal to the measurement of angle 1, right? So this will be the measurement of angle, oops, sorry. Okay, let me just erase that. That's the measurement of angle 1. Okay. What about the measurement of angle 2? Measurement of angle 2, sorry, is equal to x plus 16. So this is 23 plus 16. 23 plus 16. This will be 39 or 39, okay? 39 degrees. So in order to check this, isn't it that the total is equal to the parts? So WX is equal to 62 degrees equals, what is angle 1? Angle 1 is 23 plus 39 degrees, which is the measurement of angle 2. Question mark, are they equal? 3 plus 9, it's 62. They are equal, therefore our answers are correct.